Hello everyone. On today's video, we'll be discussing tips on how to improve our oral health. So the first tip is we should brush our teeth daily 2 times a day. One in the morning time and another one before we go to bed. Brushing during the night time is very important because it can help us in improving our oral health. So brushing time ideally should be between 2 to 3 minutes. So which toothbrush should we select? There are many toothbrush in the market. One is hard, one is medium, another one is soft. So we should always try to avoid the hard bristles toothbrush because hard bristles toothbrush can damage our tooth structure because of their abrasiveness. We should always use a soft bristle toothbrush. So we should always remember that we should change our toothbrush after every 2 to 3 months. And the type of toothpaste we should use is flouridated toothpaste. If your kid is below 2 to 3 years, they are not able to speak, so we should give them non-fluoridated toothpaste. But to the adults, we should always use a fluoridated toothpaste because fluorides in the toothpaste can act against the dental caries. So how to brush your teeth? So we should place the toothbrush 45-degree angulation to the gum line. We should cover 2 to 3 teeth at a time. We should brush it in a circular way. We should always remember that we should clean all the surfaces of the tooth. The outer surface, that is the buccal surface. So after cleaning the buccal surface, we should clean the inner surface of the tooth. Then the occlusal surface. Occlusal surface means the surface through which we chew the foods. So all the surfaces should be cleaned properly. I will make a separate video on how to brush your teeth. Okay. So after brushing the teeth, we should always clean our tongue because tongue harbors many bacteria because tongue has papillae in it. So there are chances that food debris may accumulate in between the papillae. So brushing a tongue properly can help in getting rid of the bacteria as well as the bad breath. After brushing and cleaning the tooth, at least 1 or 2 times we should floss our teeth. So place the floss in between the two teeth, place it inside, move up and down. So the plugs, there are chances of forming plug formation in between the teeth. So flossing a teeth can prevent the plug formation. So mostly in the posterior areas, posterior teeth, that is the molars, we often complain of food lodgement, and after brushing also we are not able to remove them. So in the picture you can see a special type of toothbrush which is known as interdental toothbrush. So this interdental toothbrush can help in removing the food particles from between the two tooth surfaces. We should always try to avoid the sugary foods because sugary foods can create the oral atmosphere acidic, and this acidic environment helps the bacteria to cause the tooth decay. So please try to avoid the sugary foods as well as the sticky foods. Sticky foods, if you intake some sticky foods, always try to rinse your mouth after you intake those foods because sticky foods and the sugary content can damage your teeth. We can use chlorhexidine to mouthwash. You can rinse it 30 to 60 seconds. So chlorhexidine can act against the bacteria present inside the mouth. We should always try to take plenty of water because plenty of water, and especially if you take the water after intake of any food, can help in removing the debris from our mouth. So taking larger amount of water is very important. Last tip, we should always try to visit dentist at least every 6 months. So initial problems like tooth decay, if there is any calculus formation, we can easily get rid of those. Okay, so these are the tips. If you like the video, please press the like button, please press the